Welcome student. First we recall the points of previous lecture. In previous lecture we have learned very important topic of capacitor. Capacitor is an electric device which stored an electric charge and suddenly supply the energy. Okay? Therefore, capacitor stores the electric charge or electric energy and it supplies that energy suddenly. Okay, then we see the principle of capacitor. C2 is greater than C1. Capacitance of capacitor. C is equal to the Q upon V. Capacitance is the property of capacitors. It is the ability of capacitor to store an electric charge. It is called as a capacitance. The SI unit of capacitance is farad. Okay, then principle of capacitor. Principle of capacitor means if we have to increase the capacity of the capacitor, we have to keep one of the plate is positive charge and near it the another plate which is the earth. Then capacity is increased. Then there are the three types of capacitors. First, parallel plate capacitor, spherical capacitor, and third is cylindrical capacitors. Okay, already you are familiar with this. Now, next point is capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor without a dielectric. डायलेक्ट्रिक कन्सेप्ट हा अतिशय महत्त्वाचा आहे कॅपॅसिटरच्या बाबतीत. डायलेक्ट्रिक आपण काय करतोय, दोन प्लेट्सच्या मध्ये फिलअप करतोय. का डायलेक्ट्रिक फिलअप केलेलं आहे? त्याच्यामुळे दोन प्लेट्सला एकतर स्टॅबिलिटी येते. Okay, now the capacitance will increase. Second point is the capacity will increase and there will be the no sticking of the plates due to the dielectric. दोन प्लेट्स आहेत त्या एकमेकांना स्टिक होत नाही आणि म्हणून डायलेक्ट्रिकचा तिथं उपयोग आहे. ओके, आणि डायलेक्ट्रिकमुळे कॅपॅसिटी काय होते, इन्क्रीज होते. ओके, वन पॉइंट इज व्हेरी क्लिअर दॅट द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड E naught decreases from E naught to E naught K and therefore potential difference decreases from V naught to V naught K and C increases from C naught to into K. This are the important points related to the dielectric. Now here we consider the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor without a dielectric. Here is no dielectric. Only we consider the parallel plate capacitor which consists of two plates. One of the plate is positive charge, another plate is earth. Okay, therefore it remains on the negative charge. The distance between them is small d. Okay, now the space between the two plates is filled up with a insulating material, for example mica or air. Okay, therefore here outside the two plates E naught is equal to 0 because electric field due to the two plates cancels out and therefore we get E naught is equal to the sigma upon 2 epsilon 0 minus sigma upon 2 epsilon 0 and therefore E naught is equal to the 0 in the outer region of the plate. And in the inner region of the plate, what about E naught? E naught is equal to the electric field due to the two plates add. Okay, therefore E naught is equal to the sigma upon 2 epsilon 0 plus sigma upon 2 epsilon 0, therefore this becomes sigma upon epsilon 0. Sigma is, what is sigma? Sigma is surface charge density Q upon A. Therefore, E naught is equal to, what is the value of then E naught? E naught is equal to the Q upon A epsilon 0. Okay. We get the E naught means the electric field between the plates is equal to the Q upon A naught. As there is a positive charge and one of the plate is positive charge, one of the plate is negative charge, therefore the electric field is the E naught which is equal to the Q upon A epsilon 0. Then what about the potential difference? Potential difference between the plate is V is equal to S. What is the V? V is equal to the E naught into D. Therefore, V is equal to E naught Q upon A epsilon 0 into D. Okay, then we have to find out the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. Therefore, what is the formula for C? C naught is equal to the S. What is the C naught? Q upon V. Therefore, Q upon V, V is S QD upon A epsilon naught. Okay, therefore, we get this Q get cancel, A epsilon naught upon D. Okay, therefore, we get C naught is equal to the A epsilon naught upon D. This is the important formula for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor without a dielectric. Okay, this is the important formula. C naught is equal to A epsilon 0 upon D, which is the important formula. Problem solve करण्यासाठी सुद्धा तो काय होणार आहे तुम्हाला उपयोगी पडणार आहे. Now, capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor with a dielectric slab between the plates. दोन्हींमधला डिफरन्स तुम्हाला कळेल. ओके, इथं डायलेक्ट्रिक स्लॅब नव्हती, फक्त इन्सुलेटिंग मटेरियल होतं, एअर और मायका. परंतु इथं आपण काय केलेले, डायलेक्ट्रिक स्लॅब ही काय केलेली आहे, प्लेस केलेली आहे इन बिटवीन द टू पॅरलल प्लेट्स ऑफ parallel plate capacitor. You know that in parallel plate capacitor, one of the plate is positive charge, another plate is the negative charge. Okay, and its outer surface is earth. Okay, in between that plate, dielectric slab is inserted of thickness T. Dielectric slab ची जी काही thickness काय आहे ती T आहे आणि the distance between the two plates is small d. Okay, now you know that in external field is nothing but a E naught between the two plates. This external electric field E naught polarizes this dielectric material. This is nothing but a dielectric material. You know the examples of the dielectric material. या इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड मुळे काय होणार आहे ते पोलराइज होणार आहे. डायलेक्ट्रिक मटेरियल पोलराइज होणार म्हणजे काय, positive and the negative charges are displaced, okay, from the non-polar dielectric. Okay, therefore negative charges are displaced on left side and positive charges are displaced on the right side. Okay, therefore it produces the induced field known as EP. EP means the induced electric field due to the polarization. Okay, and the value of this EP is given by this equation. Therefore, the net electric field inside the dielectric slab is E is equal to the E naught minus EP. E naught is the external electric field. EP is the electric field due to the polarization, and E is the electric field inside the dielectric slab. The direction of E naught and EP are opposite to each other. Okay, then you know that, but E is equal to, yes, E is equal to the E naught upon K. What is the value of E naught? E naught is equal to the Q upon A epsilon 0 into K. This is the value of E, total electric field inside the dielectric. Now, the potential difference, we have to find out the first the potential difference between the plate. Now see this E exists over the distance T and the remaining E naught exists over the distance D minus T. Therefore, we can write down this V is equal to the S, V is equal to the E naught S, distance is this D minus T. Therefore, this is D minus T plus E, okay, E into this E exists over the distance t. Okay, therefore this t. Therefore v is equal to the E naught d minus t plus e ची व्हॅल्यू पुटअप करा. E is equal to the E naught upon k into t. Okay, therefore v is equal to E naught is common. Okay, d minus t plus t upon k. This is the value of v. V is equal to the E naught d minus t plus t upon k. Therefore, v is equal to the E naught again is q upon a epsilon 0 d minus t plus t upon k. This is the value of v. Now we have to find out the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. Then what is the value of C? C is equal to the Q upon V. Therefore, C is equal to Q as it is upon V A epsilon 0. Sorry, this Q as it is, V is Q upon A epsilon 0 d minus t plus t upon k. This q get cancel. Okay, we get C is equal to the is A epsilon 0 upon d minus t plus t upon k. This is nothing but a value of capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor with a dielectric slab between the plates. This is the value of capacitance of a capacitor without a dielectric. This is the value of capacitance of a capacitor with a dielectric. Okay, therefore we get here, I am writing this equation again. C is equal to the A epsilon 0 upon d minus t plus t upon k. Okay. Here this equation A epsilon 0 as it is, d is common, 1 minus t upon d plus t upon dk. Okay, therefore C is equal to A epsilon 0 upon d is C naught. See this, A epsilon 0 upon d is C naught upon 1 minus S t upon d is common, 1 minus 1 upon k. This is again the equation between C and C naught. Okay, this is the important equation. Now we consider the two cases. First case, if the dielectric fills with the entire space, entire space ला आपण ही dielectric काय केलेली आहे, fill up केलेली आहे. Then what about the value of t? T is equal to the d. T आणि d ची व्हॅल्यू काय असणार आहे, सेम असणार आहे. And then we get C is equal to the S. C is equal to काय व्हॅल्यू मिळेल आपल्याला, C is equal to the C naught into K. ओके, कारण हे पूर्ण व्हॅल्यू काय येणार आहे, 1 upon K येईल डिनॉमिनेटर, आणि तो वर गेल्यानंतर काय होणार आहे, न्यूमरेटरला गेल्यानंतर K होणार आहे. Therefore we get C is equal to the C naught K. This is again the important relations. From this equation we can define what do you mean by K. K is equal to S C upon C naught. We get the another definition of K. K means dielectric constant. म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस डायलेक्ट्रिक स्लॅब ही आपण पॅरलल प्लेट कॅपॅसिटरमध्ये इन्सर्ट करतो त्यावेळेस ऑफकोर्स कॅपॅसिटी काय होते, K टाइम्स ही इन्क्रीज होते. दिस इज द इम्पॉर्टंट पॉईंट. सेकंड पॉईंट, इफ द कॅपॅसिटर्स इज फिल अप विथ ए कंडक्टिंग प्लेट. जे डायलेक्ट्रिक स्लॅब आपण काढून टाकली, आता तिथे काय टाकलेली आहे, कंडक्टिंग प्लेट टाकलेली आहे. ओके, कंडक्टिंग मेटल टाकलेले, आणि इन दॅट केस व्हॉट इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ K? K is equal to the infinity. Okay, K is equal to infinity, then what we get, C is equal to the C naught 1 minus T upon D 1 minus 1 upon infinity. Okay, therefore C is equal to the C naught 1 minus T upon D. This 1 upon infinity is 0. Multiplied by 1 means T upon D. Therefore, we get here C naught upon D minus T upon D. Okay, therefore this equation is written as D into C naught upon D minus T. These are the different cases related to the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor with a dielectric slab between the plates. Again, there are the 2-3 cases of the related to this. Okay, then we have to see the energy stored in the capacitor. Energy stored in a capacitor. Okay, it is the important point. Okay, you know that the capacitor is an electric device which consists of two parallel plates, no doubt, and it is used for to store the electric energy. Now we have to find out the energy stored in capacitors. Okay, therefore we consider here the parallel plate capacitor is connected to the battery voltage V. During the charging of capacitor, what happen? Work will be done to remove the electrons from the battery against the opposing forces. ओके, या बॅटरीमुळे काय होणार आहे तर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड सेटअप होईल. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्डमुळे काय होणार आहे चार्जला ड्रिफ्ट मिळणार आहे किंवा इलेक्ट्रॉनला ड्रिफ्ट मिळणार आहे. देअरफॉर चार्ज विल गेट इन मोशन. ओके, ॲज इट इज इन मोशन work will be done and this work is always stored in the form of a energy. Okay, then let us consider that Q be the charge, then potential difference between the plates is V. Then what is the value of C? C is equal to the Q by V. Okay, then what is the value of V? V is equal to the Q by C. Okay, during the charging of capacitor, if Q be the charge, then potential difference between the plates is V. Therefore, C is equal to Q by V. Therefore, V is equal to the Q by C. Now, if the small charge dq is added, then small work is done. That work done is given by the formula dw is equal to the SV into dq, where dq is the small charge. Therefore, dw is equal to the which value? Q by C into dq. Okay, dw is equal to Q by C into dq. Now, total work done in order to charge the capacitor from its initial value 0 to capital Q. या दोन्ही स्टेज आपण मधल्या स्टेज कन्सिडर केलेल्या आहेत. दिस इज अँड दिस dq ऑल्सो. ओके, इनिशियल स्टेजला ऑफकोर्स चार्ज काय असणार आहे 0 असणार आहे. पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स सुद्धा काय असणार आहे 0 असणार आहे. इफ द चार्ज इज Q, देन पोटेन्शियल इज V. Okay, then if it is fully charged, if the capacitor is fully charged, then its charge will be the capital Q. Therefore, total work done W can be obtained from integrating this equation 1. Therefore, W is equal to the integration of dW from the limits 0 to capital Q. 0 means its initial limit and capital Q is means when the capacitor is fully charged, then its charge will be the capital Q. Therefore, W is equal to the integration of dW Q by C S into dq from limits 0 to capital Q. Therefore, W is equal to 1 by C Q dq from limits 0 to capital Q. Therefore, W is equal to the 1 by C Q square upon 2 0 to capital Q. Here we have to use the formula from integration chapter in mathematics. integration of x raised to n dx is equal to the x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Therefore, w is equal to 1 by c q square upon 2. Now we have to put up the limits. First we have to put up the upper limit and then lower limit. Therefore, w is equal to 1 by c capital Q square upon 2 minus 0. Okay, therefore we get w is equal to the q square upon 2c. As the work done is stored in the form of a energy, then energy is equal to energy U is equal to q square upon 2c. Okay, then U is equal to the 1/2 c into v square. If we put up the value of q is equal to the cv, then we get this equation. Then u is equal to the 1/2 q into v. If we put up the value of c is equal to q by v, then we get this form. Okay, these three are the different forms of energy stored in capacitor. U is equal to q square upon 2c, U is equal to 1/2 cv square, and U is equal to the 1/2 q into v. This is the important points as far as our examination is considered. Okay, with this chapter electrostatic is completed. If you have any doubts, then call me anytime. Okay, बरेच विद्यार्थी व्हिडिओ पाहत नाही, तर ते व्हिडिओ अवश्य पहा, तुमच्या फायद्याचे आहेत. ओके, कारण त्याच्यावर क्वेश्चन्स हे विचारले जाणार आहेत. पुढच्या आठवड्यात आपण ह्याच्यावर टेस्ट घेऊ. लेट अस स्टॉप हिअर.